and welcome to On the Move, a show highlighting what's going on in your community. I'm your host, Eliza Papazian. In this month's show, we'll check out Glendale's aquatics programs, learn about summer safety, take a look at the Seamless Summer Lunch program, and so much more. Dust off your grill and grab your swimsuits because summer is here. Let's learn about ways to stay safe while enjoying your backyard.
Hi, I'm Captain Gano with the Glendale Fire Department. Every summer, the backyard is a hub of activity for children and adults alike. Whether you're grilling with family and friends or cooling off in the pool, consider these outdoor safety tips. Keep your grill on a level surface away from the house, garage, and any flammable objects. Don't step away from a grill while it's on, and keep children and pets at a safe distance from the flames. Remember, when using charcoal, the grill will remain hot longer than a gas grill. Covering the charcoal grill will prevent embers from flying away. Be sure to use sunblock before getting into the pool. Homes with young children should have a lockable fence around the pool. Remember to walk, not run, when around the pool. Keep the pool area clear of toys and other objects that someone may trip over. Never allow children to swim without an adult supervision. And no matter the summer activity, stay hydrated. The Glendale Fire Department would like you to have a fun and safe summer.
Warmer days mean higher water and energy usage. Let's learn about how GWP's new program will help make your home more efficient.
Glendale Water and Power is always looking for ways to help customers be efficient with their water and electricity usage. Our new Smart Home Upgrade program will help you do just that. The Smart Home Upgrade program helps residential customers save energy and water through a home survey and the installation of conservation devices that are installed by our contractor for free. Here's how the Smart Home Upgrade program works. Residents interested in participating in the program call to schedule a visit from a certified GWP contractor specializing in energy efficiency. The contractor will visit your home and conduct an energy and water survey to help identify potential energy and water efficiency upgrades. A short report is then generated, listing recommended retrofits with anticipated energy and water savings. The contractor will then install selected energy and water efficiency measures at no cost to the customer. These upgrades may include LED light bulbs, motion sensors, faucet aerators, shower heads, and sprinkler replacements. Glendale Water and Power can help you conserve and save on your utility bills through this hassle-free program. Scheduling an appointment is as easy as calling 1-800-263-9313.
Looking for some fun and excitement during these long, hot summer days? Look no further than Glendale's Summer Aquatics program. Let's check it out.
Summer is here, and the City of Glendale's Community Services and Parks Department is excited to open its pools and aquatics programs for all to enjoy. Our most popular aquatics program is our swim lessons. We offer lessons for everyone ages 6 months to adults and work with all levels of swimmers. Glendale offers both a beginner water polo and swim team. These teams are open to ages 6 through 17 and are a great opportunity for kids to become comfortable in the water while getting exercise and learning teamwork. For ages 12 through 14, we offer a Junior Lifeguard Academy. This class teaches various lifeguarding techniques and gives kids the opportunity to be exposed to the rewarding experiences of a lifeguard. Along with these aquatic programs, Glendale offers recreation and lap swim hours at the Pacific Community Pool. And for Glendale's littlest children, there are wading pools located at various parks throughout the city with private rental options available. For more information on any of our aquatic programs or where to register, pick up one of our leisure guides at any recreation facility or visit our website at glendaleaquatics.com. And don't forget your sunscreen.
Glendale has a new Tech on Tap podcast series. Here's Jennifer Hiramoto to tell you more.
The Glendale Economic Development Division is excited to announce the launch of the new Glendale Tech on Tap podcast, a podcast designed for entrepreneurs, innovators, and those in tech in and around Glendale. This is a continuation of the Glendale Tech on Tap meetup program, where we've been meeting for almost 2 years now, once a month at the Underdogs, trying to build up that ecosystem of tech and innovation that's right here in Glendale. Did you know that we actually have 1,000 firms in tech? Well, you'll be able to hear some of them with the lineup that we have in our first season. Kendall Young, who will be talking about storytelling. Ali Spinu, who will be discussing serial entrepreneurs' tips for success. We'll also hear from Jim Schaefer on angel funding, when, where, and how. Later, we'll hear from Peter Chula on how to successfully introduce a new product to market. Dave Dennis will be speaking on from unemployment to his own audio empire. And finally, Catherine Hunter Blyden on how to manage a brand in the gig economy. To get the first season of the Glendale Tech on Tap podcast, you can find it at GlendaleTechWeek.com or download it on wherever you find your podcasts. You can always catch us on the fourth Wednesday of every month at Underdogs at 156 South Brand, where we will always be discussing tech, innovation, and entrepreneurship in Glendale. See you there.
It's summertime and the kids are out of school. Let's learn about a nourishing partnership the parks and library departments have with GUSD.
The Seamless Summer Lunch Program is a program that Glendale Unified School District runs from when school lets out in May or June through the end of the summer in August.
This is a partnership between the City of Glendale, Parks and Rec Department, libraries, and the Glendale Unified School District to provide lunches for students during the summer. It's a USDA program that allows us to feed children who are 18 and under or adults with disability free meals.
The Community Services and Parks Department of the City of Glendale and the Glendale Unified School District work in collaboration to provide the Seamless Lunch Program to our day campers here at Pacific Community Center and at Maple Park Community Center. So we're really privileged to have this collaboration with Glendale Unified School District.
Approximately 60 to 80% of the students who go to school in this part of Glendale qualify for free and reduced meals during the school year. And so the Seamless Summer Feeding option allows us to extend that benefit to these students and the children in this area during the summer months when they don't have access to those meals.
And our lunch program is Lunch at the Library, which is a statewide project, and we partner with Glendale Unified School District to be our vendor. So this really is not only seamless in terms of kids getting meals through the summer, but the partnership with Glendale Unified School District couldn't be more perfect. It really is a seamless partnership as well.
Our goal is to provide nutritious meals during the summer to minimize any kind of hunger that students and children might face by not having access to our programs during the normal school year.
Some families don't have that meal option, so when school ends, they don't have access to an extra meal or cannot afford an extra meal. But then other families are just looking for the sense of community, for their children to meet other children who might be going to the school with them next year, or just have their children around other children because they've lost that structure of school. So here at the library, we provide meals, we provide community, and we also provide the fuel that will help kids learn over the summer. Glendale Unified School District doesn't want a single child to go without a meal, so it couldn't be a better partnership.
One Glendale is an after-school youth sports program in partnership with GUSD. Let's take a look at the wonderful opportunities this program provides to the youth of Glendale.
I'm happy to share that our experience with One Glendale has made a wonderful and significant impact with our 4th and 5th grade students. Over the past 3 years, our students have become more physically active and have learned the valuable skills of sportsmanship, which will really be valuable for the rest of their lives.
Being in a team for Adrian has changed him a lot. He's learned how to talk to his teammates. It's made him really social with others, as approaching other friends in the park and asking them, do you want to play? This is what we do. So in that aspect, it's also helped him come out of his shell and know what it's like to play with the whole team.
The program has impacted my life because I've learned how to play basketball, soccer, football, and volleyball. I've made lots of friends and I've grown to be a better sport.
My favorite part of this, other than the health aspects and just being outside and community building, I love that it has provided my students with just responsibility and seeing how their actions impact others that you can only get from a team activity, for the good or for the bad. When you show up and you do play your heart out, then it impacts the team positively, and when you don't, it impacts the team negatively, and they get to see that and hold each other accountable, and it's been wonderful.
It's a free program after school, so instead of having kids, going home playing video games, they're learning a sport, they're learning a skill. Also, us as coaches, knowing that we see them giving each other praises, knowing that teamwork's important and improving that, and using that teamwork to become as one.
One Glendale teaches you teamwork, how to respect each other. My coach got us this with her own money, and this year we won 3rd place for the soccer, and I will miss the coaches and my friends dearly.
I am proud to be in this program because I get to play all my favorite sports.
The One Glendale sports program has been fantastic for our students. They're learning the skills, they're active, they're out making friends with the new team members. They are finding that their skills are so much better than before they had started, and they're so proud, and our families are so happy to be watching their children play the sports.
I'm in 3rd grade, and I can't wait to be in 4th grade to join.
I'm a parent of children who are active in One Glendale program. This is an excellent program for our students, our families, and the Glendale community as a whole. This provides an opportunity for all our students to be active in a sports program that builds character, teamwork, and empathy. One Glendale gives children the ability to be empathetic toward one another. There was an event, the Galaxy soccer game, where a group of children actually combined their funds together to be able to purchase hot dogs for all the children in that group, even though some had no financial funds with them during the game. The significance of this is that it's embracing our children to love one another and also to be the future leaders that derive on those characteristics that will make us successful in the future.
That's it for this month's episode of On the Move. For up-to-the-minute news, follow us on Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube at MyGlendale. You can also stay informed by signing up for our free monthly electronic newsletter, City Connection. Sign up on the city's website. Thanks for watching, and join us next time as we explore the interesting things happening in the city of Glendale.